Hello, today I want to show you my entry to the Birds and Butterflies Junk Journal swap over Junk Journal Junkies on Facebook. My journal measures 8 1/4 by 6 and the spine is 1 3/4. For the cover I used 2 recycled cereal boxes that I sewed together to make it stronger and sturdier. I embellished the cover with some paper from my stash and a metal embellishment. I also used some gauze. The back I used the same method, and for the spine I decided to embellish it with pearls that are on the sewing thread of the signatures. It has 2 signatures, and for the paper I used one kit, Majestic Birds from Artie Maze, and some ephemera from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. All the paper is tea-dyed, and let's see the inside. I forgot to tell you, for the closure I used an elastic band. So, the inside cover. The new thing to me is this. I recently got this stamp from Irene, Crafty Irene. Thank you, Irene. Loved it. And this is a pocket with a butterfly tag, and the kit is so beautiful. I left all the pages, all the printed pages as they were because I love the colors and the images on them. Here I have a flip corner. This is Rita Donnelly's tutorial, embellished with some gauze and a butterfly, and also got this stamp from Crafty Irene, and here it is. This is also an index card stamped. Here embellished with some ribbon and some flowers and a flat black pearl. Here another pocket, stamped some butterflies, and this is a tag that I got from IKEA. I thought they were a really good paper and funny tags, so I used them here. This is baking paper embellished with some lace. Here a stamped page with some birds, some washi, butterfly washi tape. This is a music page, and I embellished it with paper napkin. I saw a tutorial by Fiona, and she was telling us it was easy to use a napkin only with stick glue. I did it and it worked really well. I'm very pleased, no wrinkle at all. Here I made a pocket embellished with some lace and pearls. Inside, this is Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and this is from Majestic Birds kit. I backed it with lined coffee dyed paper. Here I used 2 tags where I used a stencil with vintage photo ink stamping. The kit, here I used an envelope and made a pocket with a border punch and some lace and pearls. This is ephemera that I made with some stamps I have. It's on camera, never easy. I'll do it later. Here is the inside of the envelope, decorated with washi tape and an index card with some stamp, and also embellished it with some flowers and fibers and a stamp. This page I have an embellished paper clip, some paper from the kit to use as a journaling card, more stamping. I love those birds, so cute. Here I made another pocket with a border punch, and inside two more ephemeras vintage garden cards. This is another stamped tea-dye page, and here it flips the journal. Another beautiful page. Here I made a pocket with a book page and some ephemera. It's a double pocket. Here and here. And used also gauze and some fibers and two stamped tags. Paper doily, more stamping. Here is the middle of the first signature. I decorated it with two pockets embellished with tsunami rose flowers and a lace butterfly, some fibers. In here I have another tag and some bird and garden themed paper. Here, remnants from punching. Here journaling paper, and in here I used this paper to make a pocket to hide the middle of the signature, and inside this is a journaling card I made with an image from the kit. The other side of the pocket, also a stamped tag and another paper for journaling. Here another pocket with a bird theme and two more tags. Another embellished paper clip with crochet flower that I made, and a journaling paper from leftovers. Another page from the kit. Here I used some of Paula Lemon's ideas, and this only folds. It's a journaling page, and here an ephemeris vintage garden card. This is the other side of the envelope, some more washi, and inside more journaling paper. These are the other side of those tags, just stamped with a corner stamp. This is the other side of the music paper, another pocket embellished with a doily and journaling paper, card, and another of those IKEA tags. This is another napkin, sorry. Here, this is a little envelope from a die cut that I have, and I embellished it with stamping and a flower, paper flower, and crochet flower and a pearl. Inside, 2 more tags. Here, this is one of my weaved paper pockets or tuck spots. This was distressed with Tim Holtz. Another card, and I embellished it with a flower. This is a pocket made with Ephemeris Vintage Garden image, index card, journaling paper, and another stamped tag. Oh, love those colors. And this is paper from my stash. Here I used the stencil. In here, this is music paper also, and I used another napkin. On the pockets, more journaling paper and an envelope from the kit. And inside, just a little index card for journaling. Here, this is one of those envelopes with book paper that Patricia Viramontes made a tutorial. Thank you, Patricia. I embellished it with some paper of a tea bag, lace, ribbon, gauze, flower, and inside it's another journaling card, an index card with some washi. This is another pocket, weaved pocket I made. I used it on some journals before. I embellished it with some stamping and a flower. Inside there are 2 tags I had on my stash and another journaling card, index card. Here another one. This one with a butterfly. And this is also Ephemeris Vintage Garden. This is a book page with a paper napkin, a beautiful napkin I had. And this is some gesso, so it can be right on. And this is another paper napkin, a big butterfly, so half in here and half on the other side. This is a glassine bag. And another stamped index card for journaling. Here I made another pocket with some book paper, butterfly, gauze fibers, and here I have another tag, some more journaling paper and another tag. Here another embellished paper clip. This is also from the kit, journaling card. Here is another page I decorated with some stenciling, and I made a belly band with a border punch, flat back pearls, some fibers, a punched butterfly. Here is another card I made with book pages and an image from the kit. I'm sorry if you hear some strange noises. My son is playing in the other room, so don't pay attention. This is another embellished pocket I made with some lace and ribbon and flowers, and this is an envelope from the kit. journaling cards. This is some, I left this page because I was playing with some lines and dots when I tea-dyed this paper, and I think it is funny page. So, fun page, not funny. This is another text box. This is also Paula Lemon's idea of using leftover papers. So this is the middle of the second signature stamping. Beautiful image. This was some letter paper I found in a library shop, and inside some more paper from the kit. Here I used, I saw someone doing this. I want to say it was Innkeeper. I don't know if it's the right name, but I love her journals also. And inside it's another journaling card from the kit. Here more stamping. This is also from the kit. I lined it with paper as a journaling spot. Here, this is another one of those flip corners. I made it a double one. You can tuck something, hide something in here. Another index card that I stamped. Beautiful bird. This is some journaling space. Another pocket with the famous vintage garden. This is also from the kit, and it's also lined, and another image from the kit. Artimaze did a wonderful job in this kit. I love the colors. I hope who gets this journal also love these colors. Some more stamping and stenciling. The other side of the glassine bag, some journaling paper. This is the other side of that big butterfly, and more gesso in here. This is also a Paula Lemon idea for journaling, and also has a text spot behind. Here is another one of those pockets I made. Stamping, flowers, 2 tags inside. Here another pocket with a border punch, a stenciled tag. On this pocket I have some leftover paper. I don't know if you can see, embellished with a punched butterfly. Another card and some more journaling paper. This is embellished with a doily and little bird images from the kit. Here another card I made using kit paper. Another pocket in here, some more stenciling, more journaling paper. And the back has also another pocket and a postcard with a sticker that I used. It's a stamp sticker. And this is it, my journal. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye!